everyone, welcome to Rongo's channel. Here is Fiona's. This is Rongo's newly launched, the Newly Personalized Collections seems is really beautiful. Also had an apple green, sharp pink, midnight blue, tomato jet, custard, more than this, forest white and forest black, and metal black, metal red. So many color Chinese painters color no problems. New Phillies, we had a special feeling of this sense. We hope to make it more beautiful, more attractive through our conscious adjustments of research and development. We also call it cheap proof because it's really durable. It doesn't easy to broken. It can withstand high temperatures and so on, which we can show you later in the video. You will know that every day Catherine's beautiful ladies like to do this. Down, during the video, out of the plants or wood throwing the plants. Yeah, absolutely super semantic. We understand our beautiful washing lady. There are many dinners in the restaurant every day that tableware nurturers need to keep up with the place of dinner. The effectiveness of washing dish should be fast, so a little root treatment is not wrong. Well, yes, let's see how we make it. We use very best prep. Use models rolling, flooring, casting, flooring, pressing, or other methods to shape our plants. Coloring the plants by our masters to present the new plant colors. Phyllo fries 2 times in curas for about 1000 degrees. Say so many maybe you as a greenhead you don't understand it. It's okay to matter, we just do it straight up. As you can see, here is the proof. Just call us Cheap Proof King. Our plants with super smarty cruises, super smarty restaurant styles. If not late, then come to me. We will talk about something else new or special next time. Bye bye.